More news coming in. The SIT to stop investigation for the time being until the Supreme Court order comes on the 3rd of October. We've been informed to stall the SIT investigation till the 3rd of October. Our team has conducted various inspections, recorded statements of a few people and done preliminary investigation. In adherence to the Supreme Court's order, we've stopped for the time being. Once the order comes, we are sure the order will come as it is a criminal case that we are investigating. This in connection with the investigations into the adulteration of the ghee that was used to make the prasadam at the Tirupati temple.
There is a petition filed in Honorable Supreme Court about the constitution of the SIT. So some arguments went on yesterday. So we've been informed to stall the further proceedings for till 3rd, that is till tomorrow, the day after tomorrow, in adherence to the Supreme Court order. We have stopped for the time being. So once the order comes, we are very sure that the order will come, because after all, it is a criminal case which we are investigating. So is it against the SIT only, or about the investigation, about the case? We'll have to see once the order comes actually. But in the meantime, we have been informed, so accordingly we have stopped it for the time being.
This kind of occurrences, any kind of desecration to temples and such kind of occurrences should be stopped and should be addressed differently, at a different level. And all this, keeping all this in my mind, and I think that's what I initiated this Diksha. This is going to be, I think, 10th day. Once I'm done with this, tomorrow we're going to have a declaration, day after, what we are going ahead, what we are looking at. It is not just about Diksha, it's not just about saying something and we're forgetting it. There should be some kind of permanent measure to this, or some permanent addressing mechanism to it. I think that's what we're going to unleash. That's what the roadmap which we would like to set on day after tomorrow.
Apurva getting in more details on that story. The SIT essentially is waiting for the order from the Supreme Court of India, looking into the observations that they've made over the past few days or so as far as the probe in this matter is concerned. They've been fairly upset with the conduct of the Chief Minister as well, isn't it?
Well, definitely, Sneha. In fact, now what we are getting to learn from the Andhra Pradesh DGP there is that, Dwarka Tirumala Rao is also going ahead, and he is in fact stating that as of now, the Special Investigation Team, which has conducted its preliminary investigation there, is putting its investigation on hold until the Supreme Court verdict comes out on October 3rd. That is 2 days from now. In fact, just the last 3 days, the Special Investigation Team had been here in Tirumala and in Tirupati and had been conducting investigation, and it's been conducting several inspections, be it at the rice mill, the flour mill. It's been calling several people related to the board, the former board members, all of these inspections and interrogations that had been going on over the last 3 to 4 days that the inspections had been conducting. In fact, the first round of interrogation, what we are getting to know from the DGP is that the first round of investigations have concluded with the SIT now filing its report there, but it is going to stall its investigation until the SC verdict comes out on October 3rd, following which they will take further and as necessary as action that they need to take as per the SC ruling that will come out on October 3rd. In fact, the DGP also goes on and says that the case will continue its investigation and that they are hopeful of the verdict coming, because given that this is a criminal case that has been filed, so they are looking for the verdict to come out, wherein thereby the investigation can continue on, as there are several more interviews that the SIT has lined up in its course of investigation.
All right, Apurva getting in those details as far as the investigations in this matter is concerned here. And ahead of the purification ritual, which is in fact underway, Andhra Pradesh's Deputy Chief Minister Pawan Kalyan is scheduled to arrive at Tirupati in just some time from now. The Jan Sena party claims that approximately 2 lakh people will attend the ceremony today. The Tirumala SIT has completed the first phase of its investigation, but has paused the inquiry for now until the court issues an order on the 3rd of October. SIT officials say, since this is a criminal case, the Supreme Court's order is necessary.
TTD इश्यू के बारे में पवन कल्याण जी ने प्रायश्चित दीक्षा लिया वो दीक्षा फिनिश डे इधर करेंगे, तिरुपति में उसको समाप्त करेंगे बोल के हमको बोला है। इसके बारे में उधर तिरुमला में कल पूरा रुक के, तिरुमला में ये लड्डू प्रसादम का किधर काउंटर है, किधर लड्डू कर रहा है और अन्नदान प्रसाद किधर कर रहा है, वो पूरा कल देख रहे हैं। बालाजी कॉलोनी में एक सभा रख रहे हैं, वाराही सभा, उसका नाम है सनातन धर्म बोर्ड, वो फॉर्म करना है और टीडीडी में क्या चल रहा है, लास्ट गवर्नमेंट में क्या हुआ, वो पूरा बात करने के लिए पवन कल्याण जी ने एक बड़ा मीटिंग रखा है, बड़ा मीटिंग।